here's another one, Dynamite Pop, Red Rush. I have never played this one before either, but look at those three. They are all, I compared them with the other machines on this bank. Those three are all ready to go off. So, let's see what happens. Hello. Wow, and they look really fat. Look how fat that one is compared to, say, that purple one. That one's so skinny. These are not only lit all the way, but they're fat and ready to bust. Like they've eaten a few too many Twinkies and they're ready to burst their britches. A lot of wilds. No? Oh, I thought that guy was wild. He's not wild. That's the wild. Come on, Cindy. Read. Greens. Oh, that thing looks like it is just ready to bust its britches. Two reds. How much more? Ah, I see on the green one. Look here. The band is starting to break. It just can't hold it any longer. Come on, let's see what that green one will give me. It'll give me an Ultra Blast. Come on, green. Show me what you can do. Oh, that green one's got to go soon. Look how thick and fat it is. Just barely hanging on. I wonder if you can get all three to go off at the same time, or if that would even be worth it. Purple and red. Come on, green. You're getting stretched too thin. You're gonna, what do I say? A busted can of biscuits.
Take cover now.
Take cover now.
Middle on the broomstick.
I'm really surprised. I thought for sure the green was going to go off first. All right. Mega Blast bonus is awarded. Let's see what this is. 7 free spins. And something's happening here. Don't know what happened. What just happened. Touch stop to award prize. Okay, let's sort of see what's happening. Alright, we've got four bonus spins. Alright. This is sort of weird, but it's fun. I don't know if I'm trying to time it or not. Alright. One more play unless I get one of these bonus plays. Alright. That gave me $25. Oh. We're still going. Sorry, I thought we were done. There we go. Ooh, something's happening. Oh. Got that whole row. Thank you very much. $37.50. Going. See if I can get the red or the green. That was cute. I liked it. Okay, let's see. The buttons aren't working over here. What is with these buttons on these machines? Green and red need to pop. It was fun. I actually liked that game. That was cute. And the graphics are beautiful. Oh, Mega Blast is getting big again. Come on, green. You know you want to burst. I can see it. Your band is barely holding you together. Oh, there we go.
Fingers in your ears.
Fingers in your ears. Oh, they both went up at the same time.
Blast bonus.
Alright, let's see what these two do together. I haven't even started and the game's already doing all kinds of extra stuff. Let's go.
Ties free.
fun game. I like that one. All right. Print and sprint from this one. See if we find another game on the way back to the elevators. Checkout time is at about 45 minutes, so I got to get up to my room and check out. Let's see if I can get in one more game. Be right back. So here I am at the next casino. Came in and picked up my little mini fridge and coming down the escalators. What do I see? The Dynamite Pop that I found at the other casino as well. Let's see if we can have some fun while we're here.